Good day, everybody. I'm Engineer Kehinde Adeleke from Department of Mechanical Engineering at Adeleke University. So I'm starting a course which is Mechanical, Electrical and Plumbing Design, MEP Design. It's an departmental course that is offered by 300 level mechanical engineering students at the University. I'm going to start this tutorial by teaching how to draw a plan, a simple architectural plan. To do that, we are going to start by checking the architectural, the units on the system, and we change to architectural by pressing the command unit, press enter, and we change this to architectural, and we'll choose a precision of 1 to 4 inches, and then we select the inches as the unit. And thereafter we'll press OK. To start that, you can start by drawing a rectangle. For this instance, we are going to consider a plan of 50 feet in length by 31 feet in breadth. So click on rectangle icon, and we'll stop anywhere, and press the command at 50 feet, 31 feet. That is 50 by 31 feet, and press enter. So this is the rectangular output of the plan. And thereafter we start by demarcating where we are going to have an internal block of 6 inches. So we use the line command. Click on line, and we'll start from here. The total height, which is 31 inches, we are going to take 15 inches for this particular exam. You click on this end point, and then you move your hand straight, and thereafter you press 15 inches. That is the length to be selected here. From the selected point is going to be 15 feet. 15 feet as shown. Then you press enter. Then you move your hand along this direction by, that is 15 by 12 feet. 15 by 12 feet. You enter 12 feet. You press enter. You can enclose by clicking on this, and then you press escape. Then you continue the demarcation block again by clicking line. Then you continue along the straight line, and then you are leaving a space according to the design, the selected plan of 6 inches, and then you press enter. You can see then along the same straight line you are going to select 10 inches, 10 feet. Inches is double. This is inches. We have to use inches. So, but we are using feet. That's single quotation. So you press enter. Then you're going to change the dimension here. That is selecting this. You can see the straight line. You click here to enclose the line. The demarcation is to be able to know the point where we are going to introduce other blocks. Where we're introducing other blocks. At this junction, we are introducing the 12 feet demarcation. We'll continue other ones. There's a demarcation block here, which we're going to hinge from this angle. Then click on the line again. The second demarcation, which is 10 feet apart, and you hand that through, and then there is an offset here from here to here, which is about 10 inches. We can make an offset of this line, and by pressing the command O, and then you press enter. Then you can first click on the line, and then you click on the offsets. You press enter to a value of 10 feet. So if I move my cursor down, the 10 feet demarcation is there, but it's to be clicked toward this side. Then Thereafter, we are going to demarcate every other line here by 10 inches. So we escape the initial offset and select another offset, which is a 6 inches. 6 inches offset. We press enter and enter again. You can click on the offset command again by 6 feet, and then we press enter. Then we click on the line to the upper part. This upper part, and this to this part, this to this part, and this to the upper part. Then this to the inner part here. You can see the demarcation of the internal block by the offset of a 6 inches, meaning that a 6 inches block to be used here. So then we can take the general offset, taking into consideration that the offset of this block is a 9 inches block to the outer parts of 9 inches to the outer part. So this is 9 inches. So then we can then trim the unwanted demarcation. We go to you can see this is a move icon, this is rotate, this is trim, this is copy, this is mirror. So we want to trim this point. Click on trim. Click on trim, every intersection of the block. Click on this, as well for this side. Then this should not be this. That's separate. Click on trim again. Trim, escape, click on trim again, that's disappear. Trim, then this place will be trimmed. Again, trim. Trimmed and this. So I think every intersection has been trimmed off to look like a given diagram of a block. The next thing to do is to insert windows. So insert window and then make them block diagrams. So we'll continue from the next part of the tutorial.